Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're changing Chrome to English now. Make sure Chrome is running and you're on the laptop profile you use. Click the three-dot menu at the top right and select Settings, and once in Settings, type Language in the Settings search box to jump straight there. This saves time and avoids digging through menus. You're doing this because Chrome displays menus, prompts, and spell check in the chosen language, so switch it before adjusting other preferences. Once you've found languages, click Add Languages and pick English. Select the regional variant you prefer, like English United States or English United Kingdom. After adding, click the three-dot menu next to English and choose Move to the top so Chrome prioritizes it. Then enable the option that says Display Chrome in this language. That tells Chrome to change UI text. Finally, make sure to click Relaunch when prompted, because changes only take effect after restarting the browser. After relaunch, confirm the Chrome UI shows English, menus, prompts, and built-in help should display in the chosen variant. If spell check or input tools still use another language, open Settings right arrow Languages right arrow spell check and enable English there too. If the language reverts or doesn't stick, sign out and sign back into your Chrome profile, clear the browser cache, or disable sync temporarily to force the setting. If problems persist, repeat adding English and moving it to the top before restarting again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.